What up, y'all? Jay here again. Hey, look, have you ever wondered how to make a clean fire for your barbecue? You know what I'm saying? That fire, clean fire, right? So where you're not using that chemical lighter fluid. You know what I'm saying? So basically, what you want to do is just get you some weeds or some little terminal weeds, and you just light it up. And if you got yourself a chimney, go ahead and just pour it up with some charcoals. Again, no lighter fluid, no instant light charcoals, no nothing like that with no chemicals in it. And then just sit your chimney over the fire and look how quick it's gonna catch up just like that. No fluids, no nothing. And you just wanna let that sit there, and I promise you in about a good 15 minutes, those coals gonna be right. And they're gonna cook whatever you want them to cook. Oh yeah, just check it out. Okay, y'all. So right there, we was a good 10 minutes in, and look, that fire had already made it to the top. And then next thing you know, we're gonna be ready to dump our coals into the pit, so we can go ahead and do some nice, clean barbecuing. No chemicals, no lighter fluid, nothing like that. And look, man, it's gonna give out such a pretty, nice, clean smoke. And look how this chicken turned out. I did. Man, that chicken was, and it just looked clean. Man, that chicken was so good. Look, check this out. Man, you can't beat that. Hey, man, y'all, try it out. Get you a chimney, make you some clean fire, and smoke clove, baby.